start using RetroTeam.ai today and run retros your team actually looks forward to. And you get to the dashboard. So say you just want to do an icebreaker, you can sort of click in here. It takes you directly to an icebreaker, and you can just have this impromptu icebreaker with your team. You can also invite folks in there if you want to, and just sort of copy the link and send it out to folks within your team, or even people outside of your team, and they can come into your team. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Within the dashboard, here's where you see all your retrospectives that you've had. I'll go ahead and create a couple of retrospectives so that you can kind of see the differences. So now we have some retrospectives that we've created. Some of them are private, some are public, and so this is what your dashboard would look like. You would see all the last retrospectives that you've created. If you wanted to take a look at all the retrospective within your organization, you could kind of filter it up here with different filters for shared boards, team boards, and also any kind of retrospective that you've archived. You can also click over here to see all the retrospectives that you've had. So you can create new custom retrospectives. So for instance, your team likes sailboat. They can sort of create one sail and give some descriptions here, and you can create different different sections. I call that boat, have a description in there, and save it. So this would be a template that you can keep using, and within that you can either edit that template, and in some cases you can also delete the template. We have the actions page as well, and within the actions page, this is where you can kind of add actions. Actions like help me. You can assign it to someone. You can give it a date if you want, and then you can create it, and then that essentially gets created for you. We also have AI that analyzes your retrospectives and gives you sort of like a general view of like how your team is performing and anything that your team needs to do in order to improve. Is also pretty cool. You can search, in this case this is sort of like a Google type search where you can search by anything and it filters it down there. Any title that you have in there, it will just sort of search the whole thing. And you can also search by filtering it by the private or public, or you can also filter by the dates. In this case, the last 30 days I haven't had any, but last 7 days either.